In this video, I'll detail how to install YouTube on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And here, I'm going to basically show you how to install YouTube application on your iPhone 12. You see, I do not have the YouTube application installed already. I have the YouTube Music and YouTube Studio. So basically here, I'm going to go ahead now to download and install the YouTube app on my iPhone 12. So if I download this video, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to do this, the first thing you want to do is you want to open the App Store on your iPhone 12, then just App Store. Once you open that, click on the spotlight search at the bottom right and search for YouTube. Then tap the YouTube application button to search for YouTube. Then here you see I have the YouTube as first result. If it is not available on first result, search through and make sure you only download or click on the YouTube watch and listen to. Then click on this. Then here, to install the YouTube application on your iPhone 12, all you just need to do is click on the Get button. Now once you tap the Get button, you'll be prompted to install YouTube on your iPhone 12. Go ahead and click on Install. Then go ahead and type in your Apple ID account password. Then type it based on the account you have on your iPhone App Store. Then click on the Sign In button. Now this is going to sign into your App Store on your iPhone. You can see installing, and instantly the YouTube application will start installing on my iPhone 12. And then this is going to take about 3 minutes and 37 seconds. The time taken to download and install the YouTube application on your iPhone 12 depends on the strength of your internet connection. And once the YouTube application has been downloaded and installed on your iPhone 12, you'll be able to start using the YouTube application. And once the process is completed, go ahead and click on the Open button. There you go. Then you'll be prompted to sign into the YouTube account if you are a new user, or better still, select an account or continue without signing into the YouTube app on your iPhone 12. Then you can continue without that, and then choose the account you want to use to access the YouTube application here. Then once you selected that, use the sign in ask, and that is it. So this is how you can easily install YouTube on iPhone 12. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.